Hello guys, my name is Charles and I go to talk about the lathe machine. So let's go to start. The lathe machine is a machine for make mechanized. On the lathe we can make some operations like facing, taper turning, contour turning, form turning, chamfering, cut off, threading, boring, and drilling. Well, parts of the lathe we found the headstock, and headstock provides the driving power to control the rotation of the parts being machined. On the headstock we found headstock assembly, speed selector, spindle with chuck, feed selector, Norton box. Next, we found bed. Its function is to provide main frame for the support of the workpiece and tool during machining. Parts into or near to bed. Lead screw, feed rod, ways. Next, we have carriage. Carriage controls and supports the cutting tool and composed of a number of parts. Parts of parts on carriage: apron, split nut, feed control, clutch, crosslight, compound rails, tool post. Finally, we found tailstock. Tailstock is to support long workpiece and during machining and hold some tools. Parts on tailstock we found dead center, tailstock coil, tailstock coil, tailstock assembly, and hand wheel. Finally, we found the chip pane is another part of the lathe, and recommendations. Okay, do not operate the machine with long and loose clothing. Do not operate the machine without using visual protection. Do not be distracted when you are operating the machine. If the machine is working, does not enter the hands to the chuck or workpiece. Make sure the emergency brake works.